that's missing art. Everybody serves a purpose, but I choose to leave a mark. Studied on my craft, and this music should give it to my heart. I wonder, should I keep it real or reach the devil's son of jail? Circumspected, neglected, a lot of chances coming up. Bullshit, they don't feel my pain. They don't understand the life I live. They don't understand the things I did just to try to maintain the hard times recorded through raw rhymes. Be the reason this child grew up with it. They don't feel my pain. They don't understand the life I live. They don't understand.
We strive to find a way to make my life more simple. But soon as I realized the house, then after the crying and praying, I finally made it out. Back to where I belong. Shit, I'm crying on the song. Thanks to Susie from the lover, I'm where I belong. Clear? So when it come to my son, I'ma be the one at the parks laughing, chilling. Yeah, you know we having fun, pushing him on the swings. I swear to get my family hurt. Man, I kill myself before I lay them all in the They don't feel my pain. They won't understand the life I live. They won't understand the things I did.
They won't understand the things I did. They won't understand the things I did.
They don't feel my pain. They don't feel my.
My bad, I was just lining it
What
up.
up, man? What up? You already know, man. It's your boy Ty Brazy.
Alright, ready?
Checking in with Ill Minds
start you
TV.
closer to
You
the end of
already
that
know
hook.
what it is, man. Vlog number 4. Be holding it down right now in the studio. Ill Minds putting out 3 of them things right now. Doing what they do best. You know what I'm saying? We in here.
Ready?
You already know, man, we in here working right now, man. Ill Minds got my bro T-Rome in there doing this thing. Shout out to Timmy the Talent holding us down for the studio, man. We doing our thing, man. Ill Minds.
Especially
On some puppet shit, my style gonna be the same. Do the lyrics in the name. We don't need no fancy chain. Climb my way up to the game.
Ill Minds.
What's good? It's your boy T-Rome, live with the Ill Minds. Got my boy RJ with us. You know what I mean? Cousin Cinco laying down some heat in the studio. You already know it's gonna drop out. You know what I mean? So after you see this vlog, go check out the songs. You gonna love it. T-Rome, I'm out.
Fuck niggas, don't trust niggas, ain't gotta sell us, so they did it feel like some puppet niggas.
What up, man? You already know, man. You already know what we doing. Ill Minds right here. Ty Brazy, T-Rome, Ill Minds. We doing this thing, man.
Ill Minds Entertainment.
Cooking some shit up, man.
Ill Minds Entertainment.
Real shit, CZ, man.
Ill Minds.
Fuck niggas, don't trust niggas, he be the type to spit it how we live it and never put out a single track.
Want it so bad, I can see those cold nights. Alright, cause them demons wanna find a way for me to lose sight. But I wrongs from the rights. Everything I do, man, I move for progression. And then I'll use my mind and my words as a weapon.